Technology and livelihood education, bread and pastry production. Bread and pastry production, first quarter, lesson 3. Our topic is accurate measurement of ingredients. Accurate measurement of ingredients. It is important to measure the ingredients accurately to get standard products and efficient use of materials. Different flour in different localities need varying amount of liquids, and this should be considered in baking. Keep a record of a quantity of the flour used each time you bake to find out which measurement produces the best result from the flour available in your area. You will soon learn to judge the correct amount of liquid to add by the consistency of the dough and the way it handles. Measurement of dry and liquid ingredients. First is the flour. Sift the flour to remove the lumps. Spoon sifted flour lightly into a measuring cup, heaping it well over the top of the cup. Do not shake the cup. Level of the cup with straight-edged utensils or spatula. For fractions of a cup, use the lines indicating 1/4, 1/3, and 1/2 of the standard measuring cup. Measurement of sugar. White sugar needs sifting only if lumpy. Proceed as in the measurement of flour. For brown sugar, if lumpy, press a coarse sieve to crush the lumps. Pack into measuring cup just enough to hold its shape, then level off. Sift confectioner sugar to a sieve to remove lumps. Spoon lightly into measuring cup. Level off with spatula or any straight-edged utensil. Do not shake the cup. Measuring baking soda, salt, and spices. Fill the measuring spoon with the desired ingredients. Level off with spatula or any straight-edged utensil. If baking powder has cake, stir lightly before measuring. Shortening. With the use of measuring cup, have shortening at room temperature. Pack firmly into the measuring cup, taking care not to have air pockets. Level off with spatula or any straight-edged utensils. Use standard measuring spoon for less than 1/4 cup shortening. Measurement of shortening by the use of water displacement method. Fill the cup with cold water up to 1/4 cup level if 1/2 cup of fat is desired, and add shortening enough to cause the water to rise up to 1 cup mark. To measure 1/4 cup, fill with cold water up to 3/4 cup and add the shortening enough to rise the water up to 1 cup mark. Drain well. Measuring of liquid ingredients. A liquid measuring cup is best to use for liquid ingredients because it is clear and see-through. It also has a spout that makes pouring of liquids easy. To get the exact amount, follow this step when measuring liquids. First, set up the liquid measuring cup. Place the measuring cup on a flat, even surface. Pour the liquid carefully and slowly into the cup. Stop pouring when the liquid reaches the marker line for the desired amount. Check your measurement, bend down so that your eye level with the marker line. Look at the top of the liquid. Measurement of honey and other syrup. Using a measuring cup, smear or brush the inside walls of the cup with cooking or baking oil all around thinly and evenly. Pour the amount of honey required into the measuring cup. The thin layer of oil prevents the honey from sticking onto the cup. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.